guys, or mga langga. I've been out of town, and then I'll just took the bus from Kuala Lumpur to Penang for 5 hours, and it's a good getaway here. And now I'm walking here in they call it habitat, like Penang Hill habitat. So I will walk here around. They told me it took about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. Look at, guys, quiet, and I can hear the noise from, is that a bird? This is it. Nature, nice and cool, because I'm on top of the mountain. And now I think I'm reaching canopy. Oh wow. Oh yeah. I'm here in a canopy walk. Look at that. Yes, look at that. It looks good. And this is the how it works. Goodness gracious. Oh, amazing. They call this a canopy walk. Such a beautiful place. I love it. Samahan niyo po ako, mga langga. Wow. Wow. I just say wow, look at that. Down below. And up here. Samahan niyo po ako, mga langga. Wow. Grabe. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. nice breath of wind. Fresh. Ganda, grabe. Nakaka-relax dito guys. Naku mga langga. Samahan niyo po ako. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely amazing. So, grabe, napakaganda as in. Oh my god, look at that. Am I lucky to come here? Yes. Samahan niyo po ako mga langga. Maglalakad lang ako ng dahan-dahan para hindi po kayo mahilo sa It's just nice, amazing. Look at that. Do you see that mga langga? Oh yeah. Samahan niyo po ako mga langga. My god. It's so amazing. So, yun, dito, puro na siya, forest. See that? Wow. Amazing. Continue walking. Na-amaze ako talaga mga langga sa lugar. Look at that. It's not too high. But it's a nice place. They have not a lot of people, but they have some people coming here. They really enjoy also like me. Right? Continue walking. Oh my god. So nice. Unbelievable beautiful. Oh, good Lord. Nice. I will walk around here, and it is so nice. Look at that. I will walk around there. Yes, you see that mga langga? Ayan. Ayan, kaya naggala muna si Inday. Naggala muna ang inyong mga langga. Ayan, samahan niyo po ako. I'll just walk around here and mesmerize the surrounding. Wow. Amazing. It's not hot. It's hot, yeah. But they have lots of wind. It's a good wind. Wow. So nice. Absolutely beautiful. Enjoy mga langga.